Book nooks are a stunning way to transform your bookshelf into a portal to imaginative worlds. These intricately designed miniatures provide a window into magical realms, nostalgic settings, or futuristic landscapes, all while enhancing your home decor. With so many styles and themes available, choosing the perfect one can feel overwhelming. Don't worry, today we're breaking down the top 9 book nooks on Amazon, each offering something unique. By the end of this guide, you'll know which one fits your personality and style best. Links to explore or purchase each book nook are in the description below. Let's dive in. Starting with the Robotime book. Nook Garden, this charming nook replicates a tranquil garden scene with vibrant greenery, delicate flowers, and an enchanting bridge. LED lighting brings this tiny paradise to life, making it the perfect addition for those who love the serenity of nature or want a calming presence in their bookshelf. Whether you're a gardening enthusiast or just someone who enjoys peaceful visuals, this nook will transport you to a serene oasis every time you glance at your books. The level of detail in every plant and pathway is mesmerizing and brings a sense of tranquility to your reading space. Its soft lighting adds a warm and inviting glow to any room, making it a perfect fit for peaceful reading corners. The CRIOLPO Book Nook Library offers a delightful miniature library that captures the charm of vintage bookshops. It features high shelves lined with tiny books, a spiral staircase, and warm ambient lighting that oozes nostalgia. This piece is an excellent choice for bibliophiles and those who dream of cozy libraries filled with the smell of old books and the promise of adventure. The warm glow from its lights perfectly mimics the ambiance of curling up with a good book in a dimly lit library corner. If you're someone who loves the classic aesthetic of leather-bound books and aged wood, this nook will feel like it was made just for you. For fans of magical realism, the Cute Bee Book Nook Owl Bookstore adds a whimsical flair. This nook combines the charm of a tiny bookstore with the mystique of an owl standing watch. Every detail, from the glowing lamp to stacks of miniature books, is designed to delight and enchant. It's a fantastic gift for dreamers or anyone who enjoys the blend of fantasy and realism in their decor. The owl perched at the center adds a magical touch, as if it's safeguarding the wisdom of the books. This nook has a storytelling quality that makes it feel alive, as if its secrets unfold every time you walk past it. Another enchanting Cute Bee creation is the Bookshop Memories. With its wooden shelves, framed artwork, and vintage charm, this nook exudes warmth and comfort. The intricate details of the shop create a nostalgic atmosphere, making it ideal for anyone who misses the cozy vibes of traditional bookstores or wants a decor piece that evokes sweet memories of days gone by. The delicate touches, like tiny picture frames and glowing lamps, make it feel alive with stories waiting to be uncovered. It's the perfect choice for those who want to celebrate the magic of books and the charm of local bookshops. Rowood's Book Nook Shakespeare is an homage to the timeless magic of theater. This nook miniaturizes a Shakespearean stage, complete with curtains, props, and tiny spectators. Whether you're a theater lover, literature enthusiast, or admirer of the arts, this one-of-a-kind piece lets you celebrate your passions in style. Its theatrical details make it an extraordinary gift for performers or anyone who treasures the drama of live storytelling. Imagine having a slice of the Globe Theater right between your books. This piece brings the spirit of timeless tales and the artistry of the stage into your living space. If you're a fan of sleek, futuristic designs, the Mini-City Book Nook Kit Beyond Library is the perfect match. This modern masterpiece combines imaginative architecture with an avant-garde library aesthetic, blending clean lines and bold shapes. It's an ideal choice for those who love science fiction or want a unique and contemporary twist in their book display. The design almost feels like stepping into a futuristic utopia, where books are stored in a world beyond our imagination. Its minimalist yet intricate design makes it an excellent conversation piece. Rowood's Book Nook Magic House is a whimsical escape into a fairy tale. This magical nook features glowing windows, mystical objects, and intricate woodwork that looks straight out of a storybook. Perfect for fantasy lovers and those who want a piece of enchantment on their shelves, this nook captures the wonder of imaginary worlds and sparks creativity every time you see it. The craftsmanship evokes a magical night in an enchanted forest, with each glowing detail pulling you into its charm. It's like having a fairy tale come to life on your bookshelf. The Robotime book Nook Kit Time Travel brings steampunk aesthetics and the intrigue of time travel to life. With gears, vintage lighting, and intricate machinery, it's a standout piece for science fiction fans or anyone captivated by the idea of exploring different eras. This Nook offers a sense of adventure and curiosity, making it a fantastic conversation starter and an ideal gift for history or sci-fi buffs. Its mechanical theme feels alive, as if it's ready to whisk you away on a journey through time. The intricate details are sure to impress anyone with a love for creative engineering. Finally, the Book Nook Cyberpunk creates a gritty, vibrant, futuristic cityscape, complete with neon lights and industrial design. It's the perfect centerpiece for fans of the cyberpunk genre or those who appreciate edgy, bold decor. This Nook channels the energy of urban life in a dystopian future, making it ideal for anyone who loves exploring the boundaries of reality and fiction. The neon lights seem to pulse with life, creating an atmosphere straight out of a cyberpunk novel or movie. It's a bold choice for anyone looking to make a statement with their decor. Each of these book nooks brings its own story, mood, and charm, so choosing the right one comes down to your personal style and the vibe you want to create. For nature lovers, the Robotime Garden Nook offers a peaceful retreat, while bibliophiles will feel at home with the Creolpo Library. Fantasy enthusiasts will adore the Cute Bee Owl Bookstore or the Rowood Magic House, while fans of nostalgia and warmth might gravitate toward the Cute Bee Bookshop Memories. If you're drawn to sleek modernity, the Mini City Beyond Library Nook is an excellent choice. The Robotime Time Travel Nook caters to steampunk aficionados, while theater lovers will cherish Rowood's Shakespeare creation. Finally, for those who crave the edgy, high-energy vibes of a futuristic city, the Cyberpunk Nook is the ultimate fit. Imagine yourself escaping into these miniature worlds each time you glance at your shelves. These book nooks don't just hold your books, they tell their own stories, adding personality to your space. If you want a calming and serene vibe, choose the Robotime Garden. For literary elegance, the Creolpo Library is a great pick. Fantasy fans will love the Owl Bookstore or Magic House, while those who want to relive the golden days of bookshops will adore the Bookshop Memories. Tech-savvy individuals and sci-fi enthusiasts can opt for the Beyond Library or Time Travel Nooks. Artsy and dramatic personalities will enjoy the Shakespeare Nook, and bold urbanites should look no further than the Cyberpunk option. Each of these book nooks is a miniature masterpiece that adds character, charm, and a touch of whimsy to any bookshelf. No matter which you choose, you're guaranteed to transform your book collection into a doorway to another world. Don't forget to check the links in the description to explore more details or grab your favorite. If you enjoyed this guide, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more inspiring finds. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.